Hello again, welcome to another Smart ER. Today's very quick video is born out of a request by a viewer. Where is the fuse box on the Smart for 2 Coupe? Well, on the UK model it's under the passenger's dashboard. Here it is. There's a very detailed link in the description below, along with all these fuses and what they are and where they go. So don't worry if you miss any of these, you can go back to them at any point. Now, while we're under the dashboard, let's have a look where the diagnostic port is. So sometimes if you have a warning light on in the dashboard, twinkly lights, or there's a problem with your engine, the first thing the mechanics will do will plug in a little LCD buttoned looking tool. It goes here. You can buy it for about £20 from Amazon or more. And finally, did you even know this space existed? Well, for me, no. About a year it took me, and then I realised, what's this? I thought it was some number plate light or something underneath there. And then I finally opened it, and hey presto, a nice little storage space. Well, that's it. As I said, a very quick video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and thanks very much for your continued support.